So today we're going to start with these Thomas and Friends metal trains. That's not working. Wooden railway Emily. Oh, looks like it has a light in here, and it might talk. Check that out later. Here's Emily's back car, and I have Percy. No battery. Wooden railway motorized sorting, and this is Bertie from Wooden Railway. Okay, now I have James with forward and reverse functions. And now Thomas, the tank engine. No battery on this one either. And another James. Oh, the light is working. I mean, it's on. So maybe something wrong with the motor. Okay, and now we have forward and reverse Thomas. Percy. Okay, and the last one is jet engine, jet blast. I gotta check all of this. Okay, this one looks like it's it does have a lot of corrosion, so I'm gonna try it. Oh, the light is working. It's just a light. It does not have speakers, but it's working. The Wooden Railway Percy. The light is working. Okay, next I'm gonna try Spencer from the Talk and Action or Take and Play. Take and Play. It does have a light, and the speaker is not working. It's not talking. But at least the light is working. Okay, now Emily. Oh, look at that. I don't think this is gonna work. No, definitely it's not gonna work. It's completely destroyed. But I'm gonna try. No, dead. Okay, let's go to this Percy. Let's see this Percy. There's a lot of corrosion in there. Nope, not working. Let's see. Salty. Oh, it tries to move. Easy fix for me. Now let's see Bertie. Bertie looks clean. Nope. I'll check that later too. Now James. I bought all this for parts, the whole set for parts, so not a problem for me. The gears are blocked. Okay, now they're free. Okay, it's not working. Cool. Okay, let's see. Jet engine. The light works. The only thing is the motor. Okay, I'll check that later. Let's see the next box. Okay, at least this header is in working condition. Next. Okay, another Douglas. It looks clean. It's not working. Alright, next and last. Today I got a special package from Canada. This was the only one I could find online. So when I find out that this model train was for sale, I did not hesitate in buying it. So I'm going to show you guys this special model train. Oh, look at that. We got a little toy and stickers. Nice. So here is our special model train. Let's see. And open it really carefully. Who is this little fella? Right over here. I know it's hard to find it, but it's right here. Wow. Can you see that? Can you figure out what is this? No? Now you see it. Can you guess who is this little fella? Now open it very carefully. Look at that. We have here Ned, Trackmaster Ned, motorized Ned, and it's in really nice condition. He looks really clean. Look at the shovel. He looks really clean. Okay, let's try a battery, see if it works. What's that, AA or AAA? AAA. Okay. And it is really fast. Let's take a closer look. Net is really hard to find. It might be one of the rarest motorized road vehicles for the Trackmaster line. Yes, this is 2006 from Hittai Company. He's in really good shape. Actually, he's really clean. Let's see the notes. Thank you. Okay, what else we got here? Shipping, Canada, blah blah blah. What's this? What do we have here? Thank you very much. Okay, so that's it for today. What do you guys think? Nice fun, huh?